Okay, Uncle T, I got your Galaxy 959 all finished up. Did the tune and alignment, and I don't normally leave the covers off for the performance report, but I wanted you to see. I moved those switches for you to the back that was in the front cover up here. I rerouted, put new wires in, rerouted all that, and tidied it all up, made it look a lot nicer. So that being said, let's jump right into it. AEM RF power is all the way down. Meter on the right is peak. We'll be reading that middle scale there, that 10, 20, 30 in the middle. And then on the left, same thing, middle scale, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Left meter's average, right meter is peak. All the way down, about 2 watts. All the way up is about 5. Average and peak power swing. Hello, audio. About 24 peak and about 12 average. So that turned out real nice. We'll go to sideband here and see what it's doing. Hello, audio. About the same thing, about 24 watts on sideband. So we'll come down here and show you that it's back on frequency. Go to AM mode. 27205, right on the money. And then we'll go to upper sideband here. Turn on my tone generator. 27205, right on the money. We'll go to lower sideband. 27205. So it's turned up real nice. Got the receive lined out for you and got your noise blinker fixed. It was pretty much non-existent. So I hope you enjoy it. Uncle T, thanks for the business.